I am finally doing one of these videos. Today we are going to be starting off at my pigs and chickens. So, I don't know if they'll come out, but if I throw an apple in, they might. Another one. Pigs! Come on, guys. There we go. Ignore the quality. The camera is what just happened? Oh my god, one's about. Oh, there we go. So that's one of them. There's another one, and this is one. We don't own these guys. We watch them in the summer because they don't have enough room on their farm, and then they go for fun. Okay, and then we have Shelly. She's our pig. She's still a piglet, and we got her a couple months ago. And she's shedding right now, as you can see, because there's this summer. Okay, and then I don't know if you'll be able to see in here, but we have another pig. Spike and Shelly. I wanted to name them Spike and Buffy, but my mom said no. Oh wow. And then we'll go around the chickens. And this is our orchard. Actually, it isn't our orchard. It's our landlord's orchard. And we're about to go in and stuff. It's sour cherries. This is where the rabbits used to be. Elderberry bush. Dragonfly. Chickens. These are my chickens. We have a lot. I don't know if I'm supposed to let them out. I will. Probably later, but not right now. So yes. The rooster is right here. Star of the chicken coop. And then the rest. This is another rooster. But he gets picked on. So I feel bad for him. Wow, where'd he go? But yeah, and that chicken's making a weird noise. Like that. It's hot out. It's like 100 degrees or something. It's crazy hot out. And now we will make our way over to the beasts. Turkeys. I hate turkeys. They're terrifying. These ones chase me, and I don't like it. So yes, here's a turkey. Here's another turkey. This is the guy that I don't like. Look at him. He's right up to the fence. I just touched his head. Wow. Okay. Hey, this is the mean one. Wait, no. This is. I want to touch their head. Really good. He's touching my feet. Oh my god, they're going crazy. This thing got so long. Wow, look. Let's see what I do if he'll put grass in here. Okay, let's move on. No names for those. And then right here is one of my rabbits. Okay, his water's are full. I don't know if you can see him in the corner right there. Turkeys are chasing me. No, you're blocking him, Bob. Right there. Just wait for the turkeys to move. Right there. That's Sapphire. You can't really see his head, but I'm not going in there because I don't want to get chased. But yeah. Okay, well, okay. It's better. Okay. Yeah, they're following me around. And then, oh my god, this chicken has given me so many scars. That one right there. He hates me. Okay, I would rather have turkeys than him. He chases me into my orchard. Yeah, like that. And then this is my brother's rabbit. human touch. This is Cliff Climber. And then these used to be rabbits. They're Cliff Climber's babies, but our friends bought them, and they're boarding them here. That's one of them, Bob, both girls. That's the other one, Potato. And Jumpy, again, my brother's rabbit, if I can find him. Oh, he's right there. Hey, baby. And then my baby, star of the farm, Blossom. Here, let's see if he'll come out. I trust him completely. His cage was open all day. I don't know how that happened, but it was. And he did not run away. And some animals tried to get into his cage, and it was open, like it was dented, and he didn't get out. Come get some food. There's some grass here. That. Watch this, ready? I don't know if he'll do it right now, because his cage is open, but let's see. Just eat his grass first. So that's Blossom. He was born here. His mom ran away. Actually, before his mom ran away, he had a bunch of siblings. They all mystery just disappeared, like you don't know how. And then he was the only one left. And then short after that, his mom disappeared. So I'm like his mom. He sometimes follows me, not as much as he used to. But yeah, he's a good boy. I love him. All right. I'm just gonna feed him this, and then we can move on. So I actually don't know what this plant is, but what he was eating earlier was grass. Okay, I'm gonna close his cage, and now I can show you the ducks. Well, I'm gonna fall. Okay, and now I just gotta close this. Oh, the grass is blowing. Okay, there we go. All right, now let's move on to the ducks. Bye, Bubba. Blossom is his name. And then if I can get this door open, there's the duck's cage. We have cacti there. Oh, the door. I don't want to get stuck in here, so I'm just going to close it. That much. And then we have Dad of Son, and then two ducks there. That's Donald, the gray one. Donald. And then Teddy Bear is the brown one. The white ones are my brother's ones. I don't know what this guy's name is. And then this is my brother's, but I do know his name, Lemon. And his name is Lemon. And he gets pretty picked on by the other ducks, and we're gonna try to fix that somehow. Here, it's not bleeding or anything. Hey, Lemon, did it just pull it away? Okay, it's not cut or anything. They just pull out his feathers. It's not cut or anything, it's not harmful. They just pull out his feathers. So yeah. And then we have a Lemon here that actually this morning gave birth. No, not gave birth. Sorry, not gave birth. That she had eggs. Oh, I'm sorry. That had eggs and they hatched. Get away from her. Go. He attacks her. A sweet girl. A sweet Lemon. Are you okay? Alright, let's get out of here and move on to... Get away from her. No, get away. He gets away. Move on to... What should I move on to? I don't know if I have any more animals. I do inside, but that's a whole other thing. So yeah, I think that's all the animals. Sorry, no, I know it's all the animals. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thank you for watching.